When it comes to keeping our food fresh, our first instinct is often to toss it in the fridge. Makes sense, right? But here's the twist. Not all foods like the cold. Welcome back to another video where we dive into the facts you did not know you needed. In today's world, refrigerator is particularly second nature in every kitchen. It's reliable, easy and helps preserve food most of the time. But here's something you might not expect. Refrigerating certain foods can renew their flavor, zap their nutrients, or even cause them to spoil faster. Yup, you heard that right. Some foods you should never refrigerate, from juicy melon to peanut butter, honey, bread, and more. Tomatoes. Think the refrigerator keeps tomatoes fresh. Think again. Cold temperature can mess with their texture, making them melly and dulling their flavor. For the best taste, keep them on the counter for a day or two. Just don't wait too long or they will spoil. Love tomatoes? What's your favorite way to enjoy them? Fresh in a salad or blended into a smoothie? Potatoes. Potatoes may be kitchen all-stars, but the fridge is not their friend. Cold temps turn their starch into sugar, messing with their taste and texture. Want them to stay fresh and tasty? Store them in a cool, dry place like a pantry, not the fridge. Bananas. Bananas and cold doesn't mix. Since they are tropically fruit, the fridge can actually make them turn block faster. Instead, let them ripen naturally on your counter. Pro tip: buy them slightly green so they mature perfectly at room temperature. Onions. Onions need fresh air, not fridge air. Cold temperatures mess them with their texture. And storing them near potatoes. Big mistake. Potatoes make onion spoil faster. Keeps onion in a cool, dry spot with good airflow and far away from these spouts. Cucumbers. Think cucumbers belong in the fridge. Not so fast. Cold temps can make them watery and full of pits. If you must chill them, wrap them in plastic to lock out moisture, but ideally keep them at room temperature for that crisp crunch. Honey. Honey lasts forever if you store it right. Putting it in the fridge, big no-no. Cold temps make it crystallized and harden. Keep honey in a tightly sealed jar at room temperature for smooth golden goodness every time. Garlic. Want garlic that spoils fast and sprouts early? Just pop it in the fridge. Cold temps lead to mold and hidden root inside the cloves. Instead, store garlic in a dry, well-ventilated spot at room temperature to keep it fresh and flavorful. Peanut butter. Hard peanut butters renewing your sandwich game. Blame the fridge. Chilling it turn it into a brick, making spreading a nightmare. Keep your jar in the cupboard for smooth, easy to spread goodness. How many of these foods are you guilty of refrigerating? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.